I welcome you all. The topic discussed is projection of points in second quadrant. The question given is a point Q is 30 mm above HP and 40 mm behind VP. Draw its projections. The point Q in space is 30 mm above HP and 40 mm behind VP. The point Q is in second quadrant. The front view of the point Q is seen on VP. The point is denoted by Q dash. The point Q dash is 30 mm above XY. The top view of the point Q is seen on HP. The point is denoted by Q. The point Q is 40 mm behind XY. Now, above XY we have vertical plane. So, draw the front view on VP. The point Q dash, the front view of the point Q is 30 mm above XY. Again, if you rotate the horizontal plane in clockwise direction by an angle 90 degrees, you have the HP also above XY. Now, draw the projection of the point Q in top view. So, here measure height of 40 mm above XY, mark the point Q, the top view of the point Q. This point Q is 40 mm above XY. So, here in this case, if the point is in second quadrant, both the front view and top view is above XY and also the space horizontal plane and vertical plane both are above XY. Now, let us see in combination. If I have XY, the space above XY is vertical plane. On that vertical plane, I draw the front view, the point Q dash. It is 30 mm above XY. Also, if I rotate HP by an angle 90 degrees, what happens is we have the HP also above XY. So, draw the projection of the point Q, that is top view, also above XY. Therefore, measure height of 40 mm above XY, locate the point Q. This point Q is 40 mm above XY. So, in the case of second angle projection, both the front view and top view will be above XY. Now, let us draw the projection. Take a A3 sheet, draw the margins on all four sides. Write the question number. In the right bottom corner, write all dimensions are in millimeter. So, the question given is a point Q is 30 mm above HP and 40 mm behind VP. Draw its projections. First, draw reference line XY. It is given point Q is 30 mm above HP. So, the front view of Q is 30 mm above XY. Take a scale, measure height of 30 mm from XY line, mark the point as Q dash, the front view of the point Q. The point Q dash is 30 mm above XY. Again it is given point Q is 40 mm behind VP. So, top view of Q is 40 mm above XY. Again take a scale, from the reference line XY measure 40 mm, mark the point as Q, and this point Q is 40 mm above XY. So, here we can see if the point is in second quadrant, both the front view and top view will be above XY. So, I hope that you are clear with second angle projection. The most important thing is the point Q and the point Q dash, the front view and top view of the point Q must lie in the same projector. Thank you. Wish you all the best.